Nothing is happening right now. As you can see, it's actually generating. eFootball can finally become my favorite game with this many resources. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. My name is Michael and in this review your boy will be showing you how you can get eFootball, unlimited coins and unlimited GP all in your favorite football game, free, safe and online, without download any mode APKs or any software. So just make to follow each and every step and you'll be having unlimited coins and unlimited GP. First step is open up your browser, Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type your address right here, appspatch.com, and search your game or any app from the list, guys. Okay, perfect. And find your game. I find my game and enter your username. Guys, please enter correct username in your eFootball game or account, of course, and choose your platform. I select iOS, but working perfectly for both iOS and Android devices, guys. And very important and very fun step, oh my god, guys, select your GP and select your coins and wait for loads up. I find this guy online, tested it a few times, and once I saw it work perfectly, and I decided to share it with you guys. And the very important step, complete 2 tasks. Okay guys, your boy completed 2 simple tasks. All of this app is from official App Store or Google Play Store and working perfectly for both iOS and Android devices, guys, within a few simple clicks. Your boy first install 4 app. Install TikTok app around for 30 seconds, install Swagbags and play 2 game, set Opera GX and install and open Star VPN. Your boy install 4 app and be right back to complete questionnaire and finally open eFootball game. Guys, don't use VPN, it might not work, just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be perfectly fine. Okay guys, your boy complete 2 steps and open eFootball game. Okay, my peep, your boy complete all steps, download for app and complete questionnaire. Now open up your eFootball game, guys. Wait for loads up. I urgently need unlimited coins and unlimited GP, guys. Okay, everything is perfect right now. Okay guys, nothing is happening right now. As you can see, it's actually generating. eFootball can finally become my favorite game with this many resources. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.